Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube video on how to become an Android developer. With millions of users across the world, the Android platform provides a huge opportunity for developers to build innovative and creative mobile applications. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to become an Android developer. What is Android development? Before we get started, let's first define what Android development is. Android development is the process of creating mobile applications for devices that run on the Android operating system. As an Android developer, you will need to have a solid understanding of Java programming language, the Android SDK, and the tools used for development. Step 1. Learn Java programming. The first step to becoming an Android developer is to learn Java programming language. Java is the primary programming language used for developing Android applications. You can learn Java through online courses, books, or by taking a Java programming course at a college or university. To become a successful Android developer, you will need to have a solid understanding of Java programming concepts such as data types, variables, arrays, loops, and conditionals. You should also be comfortable with object-oriented programming concepts such as inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. Step 2. Get familiar with the Android SDK. After learning Java programming, the next step is to get familiar with the Android SDK. The Android SDK provides the tools, libraries, and frameworks needed to build Android applications. You can download the Android SDK from the official Android website and install it on your computer. Once you have the Android SDK installed, you can start exploring the different components of the SDK, such as the Android Studio IDE, which is used for developing Android applications. You can also explore the Android developer documentation, which provides detailed information on how to use the Android SDK. Step 3. Develop a solid understanding of user interface design. User interface design is an essential aspect of Android development. A well-designed user interface can make or break an Android application. As an Android developer, you will need to have a solid understanding of user interface design principles such as layouts, themes, and styles. To develop a solid understanding of user interface design, you can take online courses or read books on the topic. You can also explore the Material Design Guidelines, which provide a set of design principles and best practices for creating user interfaces in Android applications. Step 4. Build Android applications. Building Android applications is the best way to gain experience as an Android developer. You can start by building simple applications and gradually move on to more complex applications as your skills improve. You can build applications for personal use or contribute to open source projects. One great way to gain experience is to participate in hackathons or other developer events where you can collaborate with other developers and learn from their experiences. You can also contribute to open source projects, which will allow you to work on real-world projects and collaborate with other developers. Step 5. Publish your Android applications. Publishing your Android applications on the Google Play Store is an important step in becoming a professional Android developer. Before you publish your application, you will need to test it thoroughly and make sure it meets the quality standards required by the Google Play Store. To publish your application on the Google Play Store, you will need to create a developer account and pay a one-time registration fee. You will also need to create a description of your application, provide screenshots and videos of your application, and set a price for your application. Step 6. Continue learning and improving. The Android platform is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends. You can stay updated by attending conferences, participating in online forums, and reading industry publications. You can also continue learning by taking online courses or attending college or university courses. This is how you can start your career in Android development. As you know, it requires more hard work and consistency to become a professional Android developer. And I know if you watch this video till the end, then you can become an Android developer by hard working in your skills. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you like it. If yes, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.